Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate dark mode in the NewsBreak app. This feature is perfect for reducing eye strain during nighttime reading and can also help save battery life on OLED screens. Let's get started. First, open the NewsBreak app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the star icon located at the top right. Then, tap on the Settings option, also found at the top right. Finally, look for the Dark Mode option within the settings. Toggle it on to enable dark mode. Your app interface will switch to a darker theme, providing a more comfortable reading experience in low-light conditions. That's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in the NewsBreak app. Enjoy a more comfortable and battery-friendly reading experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.